Hello everyone, welcome to Mentoring and More Academy. My name is Akanksha and today in this video I'm going to discuss about the best career options for commerce student. So let us start the video. Number one is Chartered Accountant. Now a CA is one of the best career options for commerce students. A Chartered Accountant basically handles the accounts and finances of a company or an organization to maintain the record and also rescue an organization from any uncertain and unpredictable business environment. The Institute of Chartered Accountancy of India, which is ICAI, nominates an aspirant as a chartered accountant. So if you want to become a CA, you have to prepare for the examinations conducted by this institution. Number two is investment banker. Now an investment banker holds the most lucrative and vital position in a business organization. The job of an investment banker is to provide financial recommendations to benefit the organization in reaching targets and goals by optimally utilizing their resources. So basically an investment banker gives suggestions and advices on the matters of money, investment and savings. Number three, cost accountant. Now, a cost accountant is the one who emphasizes the conceptual and fundamental basis of accounting. The job of a cost accountant is to prepare the budget, the assets of the company and evaluate the performance of the company. So if you want to go to this field, you need to opt for the bachelor's degree and then higher degrees to opt for higher positions. Number four, actuaries. Now, actuary is one of the most responsible and innermost part of a business organization. So any action taken by them has a huge effect on the fate of the organization. They basically study the impact of financial risks and financial uncertainties in the changing business world. Number fifth is financial planner. Again, a very good career option for the commerce students. A financial planner is company's planning partner and educator who helps the company to meet the long-term and short-term targets. Not only they take the financial decisions for the organization but also strategizes tax issues, savings, investment, budget and also look at the current and future situations of the business firm. Number six is banking. Now banking is one of the most demanding and common jobs in India. There is a rapid growth of opportunities, employment opportunities in this sector, obviously because it is the backbone of the country's economy. So there are opportunities in both private as well as public sector. So if you want to go to this field, you just need to have a bachelor's degree apart from having the commerce background and then clear various banking examinations to be selected for this job. Number seventh is company secretary, which is again a principal job in any company. The job of a CS is to keep the track of the tax returns and make sure that the company is working within the legal and ethical compliances. Now if you want to opt for this field, you have to clear the 3 levels of examinations conducted by ICSI, which is Institute of Company Secretary of India. After that, you can go into this field. Number 8 is insurance. Insurance professionals are also in huge demand nowadays. They are the mediator between the insurance company and the customers. So they basically communicate the company's offers and schemes to the customer so that they can choose the best out of available and at the same time convey the grievances and complaints of the customers to the company so that the company can amend their policies or make changes in their policies according to the choices of the customer and ultimately serve the customer. Number 9 is stockbroker. A stockbroker basically sells the financial securities or stock in the market. So he or she has to constantly monitor the upwards and downwards movements in the market. So for this job, you really need to have a good understanding of the functioning of the market very closely and also know about Sensex. And finally, number 10 is management accounting or managerial accounting. The main job in this field is to provide financial information and needed resources to the management staff of the company. They basically help or enable the management staff to make accurate decision with the use of the accurate statistical data. So they help in the decision making process of the company. So these were the 10 best career options for the students having a commerce background. With that, we have come to the end of the video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.